He was nervous too.
Real no, yeah, I'm
Okay.
sweating, so it's all
Bend
good.
the knee.
Okay, bend the knee like, okay.
Hold it, resist.
Oh.
Resist. Okay, compared to here. Resist. Feel the difference there?
Yeah,
Stronger on the left, right? Are you right or left-handed?
I'm right-handed, but I'm southpaw, but yeah.
Okay, so relax. So table's gonna pop. There's no popping of the spine.
Okay, fine.
No popping of the spine.
Oh, shit, okay, cool.
Good with that?
Yep.
Good. And then turn the head to the right.
Oh, my
We're
God.
just gonna take pressure off of your neck. This is more kind of like a stretch.
Okay, hold on, wait.
Breathe.
All right, hold on, wait. You didn't tell me anything. You didn't give me a chance. Okay, what do I do?
Breathe.
Okay.
Breathe. Welcome to chiropractic, my friend.
Okay.
Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Can you feel your fingers?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good, good. Now bend the knee.
Okay, bend the knee. Okay.
Bend it. Resist now.
Okay.
How's that feel?
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Okay, turn over for me.
Uh,
Face up.
Face up.
Oh, this is going to be like one of the best first adjustments ever.
You gotta give me like a cue or something.
Okay,
Did
good.
it.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Okay.
Okay, what do I do, Mark?
Brian, you're not gonna be able to put none of this shit.
Hold the leg here. Drop your head.
Okay.
Hold the leg.
All right. Yep. Got it.
Hold it.
Yep.
Resist up against
Okay,
me.
ready?
Good. This side.
Okay, here we go.
Resist up against me.
Yep.
What's the difference?
I feel like this one's stronger.
Try not to brace yourself. Let's check it again.
Okay.
Lift the leg. Hold.
Yep.
Hold it there. Lift it. No,
Okay.
lift it.
Oh,
Yep.
sorry.
Resist. And compared to here. Resist.
This one feels easier.
Correct. Yeah. So, like with what you do, imagine everything that you can do already
Yeah.
with things not working at 100%.
Right.
Ooh. Keep breathing. Can you get the sweat?
This is not cool. This is not cool at all.
Granted, he just worked out 4 hours ago.
Mm-hmm.
Breathing.
So inhale or exhale?
Whatever.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, on your back. Okay. Same thing. Cross the hands here.
Okay.
Rub them. There you go. Hold the leg up.
Put the leg up.
Okay, resist now.
Mm.
How's that feel?
It's good.
Solid, right?
It's good, yeah.
Now hold, make a fist. Resist. Okay, compared to here. Resist. That one you can hold all day.
Yeah,
See that?
yeah,
So
yeah.
there's two things that contribute to that.
Mm-hmm.
One is right in here.
Scapula area?
Yeah. You feel this
Oh,
sometimes?
yeah.
That guy right there?
Yeah.
That's a rib popping out. And that'll shut your arm power down.
Okay, yep, I felt
Breathe.
that.
Breathe.
Yeah, I am. Good. Why my legs up though?
You know why?
Because you're
anticipating
shitless.
too much, dude.
Oh,
Here.
okay.
And then the nerve that controls the shoulders, right?
Oh my God! Wait,
Give me 3. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, okay.
I'm done.
That was like 3 snaps and like that was loud.
Check
All right.
box.
It's like so I was eating some dry cereal. What's going on? Jesus Christ. Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Finished.
So I can
Let's just
relax or
retest the arm. Hold. Make a fist. Resist.
Yeah. I feel that.
All
Yeah.
day, right? No
Yeah.
shit.
All right.
Don't forget to follow us at the Good Chiropractor for that good crack.
Ah.
That was one of the best.